Hi, we want to talk about non-communicable diseases coming up in the Top Matters Health Corner. Someone will ask, what are these non-communicable diseases? Basically, these are conditions or they are medical conditions or diseases that are not transmissible or you cannot directly pass it on from one person to another. So when someone is having these conditions or these disease conditions, by mere fact that you hug the person, you have unprotected sexual intercourse, or maybe you kiss the person, doesn't mean that you are going to get these disease conditions. And we normally say that they are lifestyle diseases because these are disease conditions that, as a result of some changes in your lifestyle or changes in your behavior, you end up contracting them. And normally they tend to be very chronic. That is to say that they stay with you for almost the entire length of your years you are going to be staying on the planet Earth. And it takes a very long time for them to be dealt with or to be cured or something like that. And it has become a very worrisome trend because statistics have shown that non-communicable diseases have accounted for 70% of all the deaths that we record globally. And this is something that we have to all come together and have a way to tackle them. But when we talk about non-communicable diseases, what conditions are we talking about? We are talking about conditions like the hypertension, like the cancers, like the strokes, like the heart attacks, like diabetes, like mental health disorders, and many others. All these are non-communicable diseases, and it's a very worrisome trend, as I said earlier on. Fortunately enough, because they are lifestyle diseases, we can deal with them, we can prevent them, control them very easily if only we can put up some changes in our lifestyle. So if we have early detection through screening, we could easily deal with them. Also, through health education, like what we are going to be doing, we'll be able to know there is a condition like that and we'll all change our attitude towards it. Also, maybe governments can also bring up policies which can make us aware of the dangers involved in the consumption of tobacco, alcohol. Therefore, we might have to, based on government policies, we might have to avoid the intake of alcohol, tobacco, and others. And by so doing, we will end up saving ourselves. This is what we want to be talking about in the next few weeks. So join us in the next few weeks as we talk about non-communicable diseases. We will be talking about hypertension, what it is, the risk factors involved, symptoms, and how we can prevent it. Thank you. Bye bye. Join me.